Hi Art 3, welcome to Inktober. So this week, for week 6, you guys have to pick from one of 7 prompts. So these prompts are the Inktober prompts for the week of October 4th, which is Sunday through Saturday. So 7 days, 7 different prompts. Now, you guys can pick any one of these prompts. You don't have to, do 7 different drawings. You just have to do one drawing. So you're going to pick one of the 7 drawing prompts, and you are going to do a drawing based off that drawing prompt. The 7 prompts are: number 1, radio; number 2, blade; number 3, rodent; number 4, fancy; number 5, teeth; number 6, throw; and number 7 is hope. So it is entirely up to you how you interpret that prompt. There is no right or wrong way. One word doesn't have necessarily one meaning. You can draw it any way that you want. You can connect it to anything that you can think of. So there's no right or wrong way to do this. Get creative with it. Really think outside the box. Sure, if I want to draw teeth, I can draw a set of teeth, but there's a number of other things I can do. I can draw a picture of, like a shark chasing a fish with, like, trying to bite him or something. There's all kinds of different ways that you can interpret these. There's no right or wrong way. So you will pick one of the 7 drawing prompts, and don't worry, you don't have to rewatch this video. I have it all in the assignment. They're all listed there. But you're going to pick one of those 7. You're going to give me a little drawing based on that drawing prompt, and you're going to turn it in by Friday. That's all I have for you guys this week. Can't wait to see these. Have a good Inktober.